there, it's me, Lottie of Earthseed Detroit, and I am really excited to make this video. We're about to have a contest, y'all. I had said a while back on my Facebook page that when I hit 100 subscribers that I was going to do a giveaway because I see other channels doing giveaways and I like to do giveaways. I like to give people stuff and I thought it would be fun. So we are at 98 subscribers. Probably by the time I post this, we'll have 2 more. So please make a comment below in order to enter the contest. As a result of the Facebook poll, the prize is going to be a copy of one of my favorite books. It's one of mine, so it is gently used, but that makes it even better, right? 20,000 Secrets of Tea by Victoria Zack, and a strainer, cup-size tea strainer, which is really nice because it fits inside your mug or your cup or your mason jar. So, all you have to do is comment below and you will be entered in the contest. I will then pick a winner and your little prize will be on its way. This is to just show my appreciation for those who have chosen to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of fun making these videos. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what kind of channel I have, or maybe I won't, I don't know. But I love doing content around herbalism and food and healthy lifestyles and self-improvement and just what it takes to homestead, my efforts at survivalism and preparedness, crafts, do-it-yourself type stuff, all kinds of stuff. Oh, if there's anything in particular that you want me to do a video on, you can leave that in the comments below as well, and I'll try my best to do something about that. Anyway, thank you so much to everyone who has already subscribed and any new subscribers. I'm looking forward to this. It's a contest, y'all. It's a contest, y'all. I'm the geeks. Okay, so anyway, I will see you at the next video where I will be announcing the winner of the first Earthseed promotional contest. Is that what I want to call it? Is it a promotion? Is it a raffle? Is it a giveaway? Maybe it's not a contest. Maybe it's more of a, anyway, enter to win. All right? Take care. Peace.